Ever wondered how to create stunning pieces using resin? An enchanting world where colors swirl, glitters sparkle, and everyday objects become part of a mesmerizing tableau. Today, unravel the magic of resin art, a creative journey that transforms simple materials into extraordinary masterpieces. Begin the adventure by assembling all the necessary materials. A clear epoxy resin kit forms the foundation of this project. Then, allow your imagination to run wild with an assortment of colorful pigments, glitters, dried flowers, or any small objects that capture your fancy. Don't forget a silicone mold of your choice, a couple of mixing cups and stirring sticks, a heat gun to eliminate bubbles, and a pair of gloves to protect your hands. Step 1 in this creative journey involves mixing the epoxy resin. Take equal parts of resin and hardener, pouring them into a mixing cup. Stir gently yet thoroughly for about 5 minutes until the mixture attains a clear, honey-like consistency. Next comes the fun part, adding colors and elements. Divide the clear resin into smaller cups. Drop in your chosen pigments, stirring until you achieve the desired shade. Sprinkle in glitter or carefully place dried flowers or small objects into the mix. Remember, there are no rules here. Set your creativity free. Now pour the colored resin into the silicone mold. Start with one color, then gradually add others, allowing them to spread and interact in magical ways. Use a wooden stick to swirl the colors, creating mesmerizing patterns. Pause here and take a moment to admire the surreal beauty unfolding before your eyes. But the work is not over yet. Tiny bubbles may have formed during the pouring process. Eliminate these with a quick sweep of the heat gun, ensuring a crystal clear finish. Finally comes the waiting game. Resin art requires patience, as it takes about 24 to 72 hours for the resin to cure fully. So, sit back, relax, and let the resin work its magic. Once the resin has fully cured, gently remove it from the mold. Behold the stunning piece of art that you've created. Each swirl of color, each speck of glitter, each embedded object contributes to a masterpiece that is uniquely yours. In summary, creating resin art involves mixing clear epoxy resin with a hardener, adding colors and elements, pouring the mixture into a mold, removing bubbles with a heat gun, and allowing the resin to cure. It's a process that combines creativity and patience, resulting in a stunning piece of art. So, dive into the captivating world of resin art. Unleash your creativity and transform simple materials into extraordinary creations. The only limit is your imagination.